What's up guys, today's video is on the top 3 best portable air conditioners in 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 3 DeLonghi 14,000 BTU. Data from the reviewed labs is forthcoming. In my own casual usage, I found the DeLonghi PACE-X 390 LVYN Pinguino a powerful air conditioner that could likely tackle big, hot rooms. It would be hard to describe any portable conditioner as quiet, except perhaps for portable evaporators, which function quite differently, but the DeLonghi was no louder than most. Despite its name, however, Arctic Whisper mode was not substantially quieter than the low fan setting, at least not when the condenser was running. Portable air conditioners have a number of benefits that have driven their popularity of late. And for some, homeowner or condo association bylaws may prohibit window units. Number 2 Midea Duo 14,000 BTU. The Midea Duo Smart 14,000 BTU, 12,000 BTU SACC, portable air conditioner has the power to cool, dehumidify, circulate, or heat up to 550 square feet with a unique hose-in-hose design that delivers 20% better cooling. In addition to that, this product is engineered with variable speed inverter technology to achieve more than 40% in energy savings compared to US federal standards. Smart functions include a smartphone app to control your AC through Wi-Fi from anywhere, at home, through the cloud, or even using Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa. For added convenience, the 4-wheel design and attached hose and window kit make installation and setup easy. Midea's industry-first hose-in-hose design enables the unit to intake and exhaust outdoors, so it can form a balanced air circulation indoors, effectively preventing hot air from seeping into the room through gaps around doors and windows. Number 1 Winter Arc 14S. The Winter Arc 14SH is a high-quality AC unit that performed near the top of the pack in our review of the best portable air conditioners. Cranking out 14,000 BTUs, British thermal unit, this appliance is capable of cooling large spaces with ease. Not only is it powerful, but it is also quiet, and its ergonomic design makes it easy to move. The main drawback is both the upfront cost of the unit and how much energy it consumes while in use. If you need a large space cooled and don't mind the extra cost, this AC unit is for you. Thank you for watching this video. Do like and subscribe.